Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. We're outside, as you can see, it's about 25 degrees. Doing a little maintenance around the house. Sun's out, it's a nice day, but it's cold. We're actually supposed to get a foot of snow. That's right, 8 to 12 inches, potentially. Good test, I'm using my Osmo Action. I actually left it out in the truck, so I was kind of curious whether this thing would work at 20 degrees. It fired right up. Good job. Alright, see what's going on today. Get you out of the sun. Here's the truck. What I'm doing is I'm just getting the snow off the top. We're supposed to get 8 inches. I wanted to get some of the snow off of the roof and off of the car. Let me get you out of the sun again. So we're just kind of doing a little maintenance out here. I've got the batteries charging. I had the batteries on the chargers. Trickle charge. Got the car on the charger. Just to keep this topped off. Got my little C-Tech maintenance charger on here. Excellent charger if you're looking for a charger. Has like 8 stages, including the desulfur, which is awesome. So electric vehicle is keeping its power up. That's what I needed, since we're not using it. I also have the battery tender on the truck, because this thing was dead the other day. So we got the battery tender here. It's keeping its battery chopped off. It's all's good. With it getting that cold, I want to make sure these batteries are in good shape. So that's kind of what we're doing today. I might go out back and bring up some more firewood. That's another project. Look at all these tracks over here. Those are all squirrel tracks. There's probably some deer tracks over to the neighbors. The ones you see there are all the squirrels. Let's go over by the camper here. Turn you over there. I gotta watch because this is all icy down here. Let's go out back. It's right about 4 inches on the ground right now. We haven't had snow in a couple days, but it's just all compacted. So, present state of the backyard. Got a nice little pile of wood up by the house, but I think I'm going to go get another load, because if another 8 inches comes down, it's going to be hard to get out the garden cart to haul that stuff up. So I might do that now while the snow is hard and you can walk on it. Neighbors are moving in tomorrow, actually. New neighbors. Seem like really nice people. So we'll get to meet them. Cable guy was out. Checked out the cable. You can see his tracks over there. Cable box is back there by the big tree. So that's what that set of tracks is. Not many tracks. Nope. Looks like somebody walked out to there. Probably the cable. Oh, the deer. I jumped those 2 deer up there. See them? They're sitting up here on the hill. There you go. You might be able to see them walking up there. Yeah, oh, there they go. Well, that's cool. Never know what you see in the backyard here. So, yeah, came out, started talking, and jumped 2 deer. Cool stuff. That's kind of what I'm doing today. Get a couple things done outside before this onslaught. Hope everybody's doing well. just gotta watch it on slip. I have this drainage in a little bypass until I can fix the pipe that goes to the road. It's clogged. I know it's probably got either roots in it or it's got acorns. I need to go rent a auger. I should do that in the spring. Been putting off that project. Alright. Well, on that note, thanks for stopping by today. We'll do another video tomorrow when we get all the snow. Maybe I'll do a time lapse. Alright, thanks a lot. Talk to you later.